To speak, to put my some anger based how to make our anger based society in and around the globe. We Dr. Dean and Dr. Roshan, and we are, with all of us are, engaging, to find the world without anger, right? I have just, prepared write-ups that I want to express through this, guys, right? First and foremost, my fondest, appreciation goes to Dr. Roshan Lal Daya. He is the chairperson of the NFPS. Likewise, Dr. Rajesh Singh, he is the secretary of the NFPS India. Chief patron, Dr. Founder and Chief Patron of Dr. Dean Van Leeuwen, who is. I also want to express my hearty well wishes to all the participants, students and institutions, and ladies and gentlemen, including our dear friend Surat Chandra, who is our international coordinator for WWA since 2010. He's also working for peace and harmony for the global peace. Yeah. Well, for participating in such a memorable conference and this workshop, World Without Anger is an institution which propagates peace, happiness, and harmony, the well-being of the human life. I am proud to say that WWA has now organized several training programs and training program workshops, to control the anger and fear, So, I am also pleased to announce that WWA conference and journal have been, we have already published, 4 series from the Nepal and the 5 from the United Kingdom. We have already conducted, 6 international conference. We have holding the 6, WWA 6 journal. It is going to be published from United Kingdom also. Now we have also, recently we have organized, organized 6 international conferences in Kathmandu, Nepal, where Dr. Roshan and Dr. Rajesh were there to participate on behalf of the NAPS India. They are, we are international. We are working as they are our international partners of WWA. Likewise. These journals, I would like to highlight the journals. These journals reportedly the pioneering research in the effect of anger and fear, the importance of the emotional intelligence, the power of international partnership with the NAPS, National Association of Psychological India. This partnership has been in the place in 2000. Right? Just like we are just I should be highlighted the pioneer person like Daniel Goleman, Salovey and Meyer, David Caruso and Dr. Dean Van Leeuwen. Likewise, the Dr. Janik Singh and Kulani Prasad Redmi. Right? These are the pioneer researcher, and they are contributing something in the field of the emotional intelligence. The long-term relationship between Nepal and India, I must say that it is a millions of year world. The Nepalese and Indian scholars are participating jointly in the several conferences on the positive traits and motives. Both nations' social society problem, poverty is also one of the play the vital role in the field of the psychology, emotional intelligence. That is, we should have to have the similar lifestyle, culture, and values also. Likewise, I should say the one thing that founder and the chief patron of WWA, Dr. Dean Van Leeuwen, established the Peace Institution in Nepal since 2007. Now, the Professor Redmi, he is a senior psychologist and psychologist of the Tribhuvan University. Together as a team of experts in the behavioral and counseling sciences, we have since found a significant reduction of the angry outburst among other emotional issues in hospital patient also. No, the Dr. Redmi is a founder, patron of he's a founder member and the founder, chief patron of the WWA, who is the founding, who has developed the, psychology department of the various oldest university of Nepal, the Tribhuvan University, right? Who is now working with us now? Okay. Now we have the relationship enhancement with program in school. We also have a relationship enhancement program in school. We have been working in the field of the psychology and the emotional intelligence in the level of school and university in the general societies also. WWD has organized the Anger-Less Society. Anger-Less Society now there are members from the different countries involved in like India, Nepal, USA, UK, Sri Lanka, Bangladesh, Japan, Australia, Austria also is Ukraine, Japan, Germany, Mexico, Sweden, Portugal, and Australia. WWE is looking for the members from the other countries around the world to achieve the concept of making a world without anger. So, since 2007, WWE has we have the member 1187 members. We have just now concluded our annual general meeting in 2016 in the 15th September, last September. We have just finished. So we have allowed WWE as a member of there are I have already repeated again 1167 members we have now. We have also members from the different countries. I have already broadcasted this member. If you are interested, you can come to the NAPS. We can work together. It is not an individual property. It is the world intellectual property. Now, since its inception for over a decade, WWD has partnered with the various national and international NGOs, including the UNESCO Kathmandu, Tribhuvan University Department of Psychology, like Global Peace Foundation Nepal, likewise Gorkha, and we are working with Lumbini Buddhist University. We have just inception our first conference with the Lumbini Buddhist University, who are it is situated in the Lumbini, right? We have it's very we have an association with the Lumbini Buddhist University since 2009. He's a professor, Dr. He is the first vice chancellor of the Lumbini Buddhist University, who is now our special advisor also, and he is very insisting us to do something in the field of the peace and harmony. Yeah. Likewise, we are also collaborating with the National Psychological Science India since 2015. We are also much interested to make something, by collaborating with the NAPS. In that case, Dr. Roshan will be helpful to get this mission ahead in the days to come. The two organizations, we are also, working the World Without Anger, Nepal, and the World Emotional Literacy League, USA, in the area of the emotional literacy and well-being of the people of the world, with the hopes of establishing peace and harmony on the national and international level. If you have interest, to get this prize, you can visit our website, and if you want to know more about more about information, you can contact the NAPS, and you can also apply this to get this this prize. This is the International Peace Prize. We have we just honored last 2015, right? Last but not the least, we as an educator need to be aware of disseminating such a wonderful concept by using our own effort to mindfully visualize the peaceful, joyful, and meaningful life all the creature. Yeah, Nate on okay. I just want to explain about Dr. Dean Van Leeuwen. Just he explained his workshop. He's conducting his workshop is on conducting. We are very much this is a very good. We found in Nepal by implementing this syllabus as a prerequisite course in the school, right? We have more than 7,000 students are graduated from the Life Without Anger. This book is very important. We have also translated into Nepali. This book he has win the Visionary Award on the Life Without Anger book. He has two. We have this book has a 12 chapter. Right, 12 chapter, and this is a very beneficial. Right, the students are getting a very feedback. More school are interested to implement to conduct this course in Nepal, right? That we have he has conducting the we have this is the methodology of this is he has got this book has also the what scale. There are 20 items and another is 25 items. We have pre-test and post-test, and when we when before we conduct the pre and then after when we students receive this course as then after we conduct post test, and then after we come back what will happen the result this is very beneficial in Nepal. I must say we are also we are also collaborating trying to insert this syllabus in the school level also. We are talking to the Ministry of Education and associate when this is very important, and they are also interested so that we have already conducted more than graduated 7,000 students in the Life Without Anger program. Right, this is very beneficial. We have the motion to elaborate to conduct these kinds of workshop in India in the further days. We are just exercising. Dr. Roshan will be explain for more about this. Right. Lastly, I would like to invite you all the participants in the 7th International Conference with the international partnership of the NAPS India. The world. The theme of the title is the World Peace Through Emotional Literacy in Education and Management Psychology in Nepal. I hope you will not only be entertained by the professional activity but also the hospitality and natural resources and the conduct of the Nepal. I am very much grateful to you all to be here to put my some views and about my organization and about our future planning on this great great platform. Yeah, Dr. Dean will explain more about this. And thank you very much.
Thank you.